Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a speech or cartoon bubble to a photo on the iPhone running iOS 15. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on the Photos app. Once you have opened up the Photos app, tap on the Library tab at the bottom. And in here, we're going to open up a picture that you want to add the bubble. So let's say I want to open up this picture right here. And then we're going to tap on the Edit button. Okay, once you are in edit mode, tap on the pen icon at the top here. And it says it wants to turn off live photo. Tap on OK. Okay, next on the next screen, tap on the Add button at the bottom here, right next to the pencil. And from the pop-up, you want to add this bubble icon. So tap on this icon right here. Okay, once you have added the bubble icon, there is a selection box right here. You tap on that. And in here you can select a solid bubble. You can choose a thin border bubble. You can choose a thick border bubble. You can even also change the color of the bubble. Okay, I'm going to use the default black color. Now you can also change the shape of your bubble right here by dragging on this green icon. You can also change the direction of this bubble, and finally you can also resize the bubble. So if you drag the center, you can resize it vertically. Also you can change it horizontally, and also you can just simply resize the shape of the object. Alright, so once you have done that, so I'm going to make it smaller in this instance. Okay, so I'm just going to put it right here. And then I'm going to add in another one. So if you want to edit this bubble, you can just simply tap on it again. And in here, I'm going to choose a solid color. Next, we tap on the Add button. And then tap on Add Text. So choose text from the menu. And I'm going to use a yellow color. So select a color for your text. Where you can drag the text to the bubble. And in here again, you can choose the font style, the size of the font. You can also choose the alignment of the text. Alright, so once you are ready to edit the text, tap on the text box right here. And then once you see the keyboard, you can put in your text. And then you can just move the text box to where you want in the bubble. And then that's it. So that is how you can add in a speech text or a thought bubble to a picture on the iPhone 13 series or the iPhone running iOS 15. Now don't forget to tap on the Done button to save the changes. And that's it. That is how you can add a thought or a speech bubble to a picture. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.